Have you ever stayed silent in a room because you were afraid your English might sound wrong? Have you ever wanted to speak, but your voice refused to come out, not because you didn't know the answer, but because you didn't trust your own words? If yes, you're not alone. Millions of people feel the same fear every single day, and the saddest part, they think they're bad at speaking, when in reality they're simply unpracticed, not incapable. Let me tell you a secret that the most confident speakers won't admit easily. They were once exactly like you. They too stumbled, hesitated, mispronounced words, forgot sentences, and felt embarrassed. But here's what made them different. They didn't wait for confidence to magically appear. They practiced. They practiced when nobody noticed. They practiced when nobody applauded. They practiced long before they ever sounded good. And that's why today they speak effortlessly. Because speaking is not talent, it is a muscle. And like every muscle, it grows only when you use it. If you practice today, even for 10 minutes, you become better tomorrow. If you avoid speaking today, you stay stuck tomorrow. Improvement doesn't come from thinking about it. It comes from speaking a little bit every single day. One new sentence, one conversation, one small step. Think of a child learning to talk. They don't care how many mistakes they make. They don't wait for perfect grammar. They don't fear judgment. They simply try again and again. And that effort turns into fluency. So why do adults forget this? Why do we fear sounding imperfect? Because we think mistakes make us weak. But in reality, mistakes make you stronger. Because each one teaches you how to speak clearer next time. Here's the truth. The person you will be 3 months from now depends on the practice you choose to do today. You don't need expensive courses, foreign friends, or a perfect accent. You just need consistency. Stand in front of a mirror and speak. Listen to yourself for 2 minutes a day. Record your voice. Read aloud. Talk to someone. Every tiny effort adds up. Every small practice session builds a future version of you who speaks confidently. And remember this, nobody becomes a great speaker in one day. Not me. Not your role models. Not the people you admire. They simply refuse to quit. They practice through insecurity, through fear, through embarrassment. And one day, without even realizing it, they cross the line between I'm scared to speak and I can speak. That day will come for you too. So when you go to bed tonight, don't tell yourself, I will learn someday. Tell yourself, I will practice today. Because when you practice today, you speak better tomorrow. And every tomorrow takes you one step closer to the confident, fluent, fearless speaker you are meant to become. Your voice deserves to be heard. Start shaping it now.